In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in ABBYY FineReader. Now, there's actually a bunch of different ways you can do this. I'm going to show you all of them. The first one is go to the Document tab up top, and from here it says Draw, so you want to click on that, and at the bottom you want to click on Text Box. Now, when you do that, you can basically draw out the text box, and then you'll be able to just start typing in whatever text you actually want to add. That's the first way. Of course, over here you could also do ink, for example, and you could start basically just writing yourself as well. However, this is a little less convenient, but of course it's still very possible if you want to. And here you can also change the stroke color, so the color of your text, your ink, and also the thickness and style as well, like this. Okay, so that's the second way. The third one is over here right to the left where it says draw. It says note. You could click on note. You could click anywhere you want to add a note, and you could basically add text that way. So for example, if I want to type in like hello or something like this, that's very possible to do as well. And that way people can basically kind of click on this and it's going to show the note over here. And then the third way, the last way, is to go to edit content up top, and then you have to wait for a few seconds for it to prepare the page, and when that's done you can click on add text up top, and then you'll be able to add the text anywhere by just clicking over here. And this, as you can see here, is the most clean way because it doesn't have any borders, any boxes, stuff like that, and it's just plain simple text whenever I click out of it. So that's basically how to do it. And by the way, if you want to edit the text, always whenever you're typing up top, there's going to be like a toolbar where you can change the formatting, font, size, you can change the color, etc. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.